Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2007. The given question is consider the following relational schema. Okay, so we are having the three tables. Okay, so let branch, comma, account, comma, depositor are the respective instances of the above schemas. Okay, so assume that the account and depositor relation are much bigger than the branch relation. Okay, consider the following query. So pi of a C name, that is nothing but projection on C name, and we are checking the condition on B city should be equal to Agra and balance should be lesser than 0, and we are performing Cartesian product in between account and depositor and with the branch. After that result we are comparing it with the branch. We are performing Cartesian product with the branch, and after that we are checking the conditions and we are getting only the value of a C name. Okay, so which of the following query is the most efficient version of the above query? Okay, so to be clear, whenever we are working with these type of queries, so always try to reduce the number of values, guys. So assume that you want to do some checkings. So at that time, whenever you know that the city should be Agra or the balance should be less than 0 rupees, balance should be less than 0 rupees. Okay, so it should not be negative value then, right? Or we are searching only for the negative people. Okay, yes. So negative balance people we are searching, right? Yes. Okay. So when you are searching for these type of things, automatically whenever if a B city, so assume guys, so B city is available only in this table. So when I am working with this table, directly I can sort it with based on Agra, right? Because at that time what will happen? The number of entries will be reduced, right? Yes. And to be clear, he clearly told that these are the three tables and assume that account and depositor relation is bigger. So whenever you perform account Cartesian product with depositor, you will get a lot of entries, guys. So that is an issue in this particular thing, guys. So here you got a lot of entries and with that entries again you are performing branch condition. So this is really a costly thing, right? Yes. So now let us check option A. So when it comes to option A, in option A let us come from inside, guys. So first we are performing Cartesian product in between branch and account. Okay, so when we perform between branch and account, I think B name is the common thing and I think we can eliminate few entries based on this B city, right? Yes, so that is what exactly is done here, and after this we are trying to combine these two things with the depositor. Okay, we are going to perform with the depositor and we are checking the balance. Okay, so this query is absolutely good and I think this is one of the best one, right? Compared to this is the best one. Okay, moving on to option B. Option B, okay, so option B is quite opposite of this. So here first we are performing the operation in between account and depositor and we are checking the balance. Okay, and then we are checking with, and then we are performing with the branch and we are then checking the condition with respect to Agra. Okay, okay, so this option also seems to be okay, right? Yes. Okay, and when it comes to option C, okay, so I think there is a huge issue in this option C, right? Yes, because here first of all we are trying to perform the relation on branch and from a branch we are trying to get only Agra places, and when it comes to accounts also we are applying both of these. Okay, so these kind of application you might end up with the wrong results also, right? Yes, so I think this option isn't that much good. And moving on to option D. Okay, so in option D, he eliminated this balance table directly. Then from where you will get this balance value, guys? Okay, so this balance value is in account, right? Okay, so account into depositor. Okay, but how can you know that? What are the deposit in this? This is also wrong, right? Yes. Okay, because here in this we are not even having that particular city part, right? Because B city is in nothing but a balance, right? B city is only in balance. Okay, yes, so that is the reason why we can eliminate this particular option, right? Yes, so I think we have eliminated option C and D. So now we are left out with only option A and B, right? Yes, so the only difference in between A and B is that here first we are checking with respect to Agra, then we are checking balance. Here first we are checking with respect to balance, then we are checking with Agra. So I think based on my observation, okay, I think option A makes more sense, guys, because when we multiply account with the depositor, we will get many entries, and among those entries there will be very few entries or there could be more entries with balance 0, but every time we will have very less entries with respect to Agra, right? Yes, so that is the reason why I think first if we perform based on Agra, okay, and then if we perform, okay, so then if we perform based on that, I think we will get less entries in this particular case, guys. So I think option A will be the correct answer. I think if we take a small example, it will make more sense, but I need to take a smart example here, right? Because it should follow my required criteria. Okay, so the first thing is when I perform Cartesian product in between these two, I should get very less entries with respect to Agra, and then when we compare that with the depositor, we will get less entries. Okay, so the most probably A will be the correct answer, guys. Okay, yes. So if I find any proper example, I'll be linking in the description, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.